550. How are you, Adelot? Very good. Thank you for making business. It's 550, guys and gals. Hi there. One sunny morning. The sun is so high, just like our dreams. We really aim high. Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. Day 106 of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Do the same thing, okay? Earn, save, invest on your own, not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams. Not too good to be true promises, business transactions, or any business proposals. Avoid that. Otherwise, when you got failed, you will feel upset, depressed, sad, devastated, mad, and angry, or whatever feelings that you will have. Okay? And then your dreams will not push through. After that, expand and enjoy. Okay? Be aware and beware of those people who will do something bad about you. Okay? Earn, earn, earn. Save, save, save. Bye for now. Road to 1 million peso challenge.